Let's go slowly code 992 subarrays with k different integers. For this question, it gives us an subarray nums, and it give us, let's return the numbers of good subarray of nums. A good subarray is an array where the number of different integers in that array is exact k. So for this question, we can consider if a subarray that is exactly k different numbers in it. We can think about we are calculate the subarray which have at most k different character minus at most k minus 1, right? Different character. Or we will say we have the at least k minus at least k plus 1, right? So let's write at most k minus at most k minus 1, right? So this becomes the sub question to let us to write function to return number of array which have at most k different characters. So to do at most k, let's write a private int at the most, right? So nums k, right? To do at most, we just use 2 pointers. Return at most k minus at the most k minus 1, right? So to do at most k different characters with a map to store those kind of numbers frequency, right? And have a right pointer and a left pointer, and we need to move that if there is a new character, we add a new key, right? So we have the counts, and for the left counter pointer, you should just remove the counts. If the counts getting to 0, right, we just remove that entry from the map, so that we know the size will be how many distinct characters for that for this subarray, right? So we know at most. So if the left is here, right is here, there are at most k character, right? So we'll say this from the 0 right minus left plus 1. They all satisfy the conditions. So we will just have the result add plus this to this result, right? So let's begin to write code for this. So we'll have int n equals nums of length, right? We can have a left pointer equals to 0 and the result equals to 0, right? And let's have a map, like an integer, it's a frequency which called map, right? New hash map. So now we iterate the right pointer, int right equals to 0, right smaller than n, right plus, right? So let's say this map, right? We can use this merge, right? Merge nums, right? And 1, right? Use the method reference integer sum, right? This is just the same as I used to have put a map put and right map get or get or default, those kind of, but this will use a merge will be simpler. So let's say while this map of size greater than k, right? So we'll just have map merge nums left -1, right? Integer also sum, right? So let's say if map get nums left equals to 0, right? We need to remove this entry, right? Map remove nums left, right? So then we have a left move, right? So in this case, we have result plus equal to right minus left plus 1, right? And return result. This should be nums. Nums, right? Okay, the time complexity is all in. We have a map, right? Map that is also in.